Traveling is one of the best things in life, but the high price tickets may block you, right? Here is the tips for your lifetime trip. First thing first, put your browser in anonymous mode. Why is this? Your browser stalks your behavior through something called cookies. This means that if you look for a flight twice, you will get the highest prices because your history is saved. Second, choose a reliable website research. For instance, LilyGo, Kayak, or even Expedia. Mine is Google Flight. I love it. It is so easy to use. Trick number 1. Add all the approximate airports. They may suggest different prices. Trick number 2. Choose all the month for the date. It gives you the opportunity to manage your trip the way you like. Trick number 3. Choose low demand seasons. Avoid vacay times. Last thing, have a look in the company's website itself. It may show lower prices. Have a nice holidays!